my plan today. I have an appointment in Luminosa. I have PICO para sa face ko, mga black spots dito. It is because tiniris ko siya para lumabas but then naging sugat. And then for my Marie France, I have FMS treatments. Gonna tag you along with me while I'm getting myself ready for the day. So let's just put sunblock today. Hyaluronic with UVB and UVA na filters. They both have 5 times ceramide. This one has hyaluronic, centella, marine collagen. Sunblock lang tayo. And yeah, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, however you want it. I include areas exposed. This is just what I put. I actually love the sunblock. Kaya siguro, tataka sila. At my age, I'm 39 years old. My skin is still looking young. First stop at Luminosa Aesthetic and Westgate. Pagkuha ko dito is the PICO para sa face ko. We're here! It's been a while, Luminosa. Dami tayo missed out days kasi during the holidays, and this is the only time that I get to visit them again. And meron pa nga akong remaining sessions with them. Kaya tara, let's go! Glowing power. I love it. Notice that glow from Luminosa for my PICO treatment. For my second stop for today, Marie France. Hindi lang ako nakabalik since the holidays. Sure ako na nag-gain ako ng weight. This is the FMS, by the way. This is going to be wrapped sa katawan ko. Legs, tummy. They're gonna get my weight.
Sige, ayun. Kasi sabi mo, parang
Good job tayo. Ano ang reason kung bakit bawal ang hot drinks?
kasi parang kino-contrast natin. Kasi yung treatment, ongoing pa yan, ma'am.
Okay.
So, pwede ka naman uminom. It's either room temp or cold water.
So, pwedeng kumain after the treatment or ilang
Pwede
hours?
naman, light meal lang muna po.
So, ang heavy meal is after 2 hours.
Ganyan po.
Oh yeah, I'm done with my treatment.
It's cold.
It's red kasi nga sobrang lamig. It's so nice to have me time also as mothers. Hindi lang puro give ng give, but you also have to recharge. And by recharge, this is what I need for me time. Me. Magpaganda.